Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. And you can see Puneet right behind me a little bit. He's helping me out. Basically, today I am going to tell you about a Facebook game which is a Seaport. I mean, like Facebook game, which is a name of the game is Seaport. On purpose, I have tilted a little bit because you guys are not able to get the complete scene. I will just, if possible, sorry guys, that just went into sleep mode. So this is a Facebook application game I am playing on my laptop. Directly we'll go into the game part. This is like a seaport. You're handling, you're in charge of a port where ships come and go. Basically they are cargo, or sometimes they are passenger ships. Mainly they are cargo. You need to like the one who has a Facebook game, the one who can search Seaport, like if you are not able to come to know, I get this a lower screen and then this, like, see over here, Seaport, Seaport, Seaport. So now I'll go back full screen so there is no other disturbance here. Sorry guys, I need to, in between I'll have to shift my this thing a little, and I'll do that. Now over on the right, I mean, like on the screen, when Facebook you're playing Seaport, right of the screen it says your friends, all those who are playing. My account, Puneet is playing, one of my friends Samir is playing, how much ships they have. See over here what level they are. If you go to ships tab, 72 ships, I have 51, Puneet has 29. How many coins, like coins tab, Samir has some coins. I think it's, so basically it gives a little information. I have less coins, I haven't played, I've come after a long time. That I'll tell you how. See, there are ships. These small ships, they collect fishes, and on fishes most of the industry nearby work. Like if I go to quarry and I want to prepare some stones, so they say 3000 fishes to the people working over there. If I do that, supply them fish, they'll give me 480 stones. So I like okay, this is my museum. I collect some money as we all go to the museum. Similarly, museum, like, see, I have kept few, I would say, few of the ships which I was working with initial days. Those are the ships on the screen, and people come to watch these ships. I collect money, like when we pay on the museums, right in the entry, you have to pay an entry fee, an entry ticket fee. Similarly, I collect. So some kind of a realistic game. This is a warehouse because I have to need sometime stock or store few things for others. It's like trading Seaport. Sometimes you cannot go from one country to another country which is in some other part of the continent, like going from India to US. It's not that easy. So you need to go through Africa, through European countries, and then to United States. And over there also you don't know where, which port. So similarly, this is fish on the left top. Then there is, like, these are resources over here. These are few of the resources on the top. One is fish, one is wood, next is stone, this is iron, this is my level, nothing else, and this is maximum sailors, and I have been full, like 1200 sailors total limit. This is coins, gold coins, this is gems, and this is some boys coming out. Boys like BOUYS. Correct, Puneet?
Boys.
Boys. So this is a light tower, watchtower, whatever. This is a standard achievements, your progress of the game, what have you achieved, by achieving what have you unlocked, what did you get. So that's the reason that star is there. And basically, if you could just see, I'll go back there, I'll go to the summary, then like this is a very like any other cargo ship, and the lowest level like seaman, then the cadet, then there is a third officer, then there is a second officer, then there is a commander, then captain, then commodore, then the rear admiral, vice admiral, admiral, fleet admiral, and all those stuff. So, and then standard achievements. Then also special, if there is some special events going on, then special event achievements. Now all these are like you would see almost I have logged in since after so many months or so many years. So I haven't played this game like suddenly I came to know like I was having shortfall of like I was thinking of content. I wanted contents. So I thought like, why shouldn't I make a video on Seaport? And so that's the reason I logged in into my Facebook. Otherwise I was not logging in into my Facebook account. Basically I am going to regularly log into my Facebook account, but due to some reasons I am unable. So okay, so this is like okay, these are like daily task boards. I'm not sure I'll do this. I'm just telling you guys. Oh, open chest. Okay, chest was opened. You need to complete all these tasks, everyone's task, so that you get maximum level chest, level 7 chest or level 6 chest, and you get most of C. Now to complete daily task or job board, see for example, this fella, he wanted wheat as well as alcohol, and he wanted 100 wheat and 180 wheat and 100 alcohol. We have 110 alcohol and 306 wheat. We'll send him. We get 13 stars, and this 13 stars are included in our experience, or I don't know, like rewards. They say these are the rewards, 15 stars are the rewards. That is maybe experience or something. So I'll close that now, and I got some captains hired. 1, 2. Where is the second one? So you need to scroll like, and you can hire them like, see, 2 captains. Event captains, like for specific events, specific captains, they are specialized. They come and they help with the, to complete your event, to complete the game, to complete the task. So that is how it is. This is like community fan page. They give the update, free dolphin. Okay, so that was dolphin which was coming up. I'll just close a bit. So this is the dolphins which come up, I think, and it gives something or the other. So this is news, new event, news, competition. What is this? Giant gift, updates, and some other things. Basically, this is like community stuff. Community of Seaport. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. This is part one. Sorry, this is part one of Seaport Facebook game. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs, for part two and part three. Part two would be coming in next Friday, and part three would be coming after that. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe button, and followed by bell notification button. That is bell icon notification button. And as well as share this video to everybody, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section what you liked about this video and what all aspects should I cover about this game, or which other different videos should I cover or make. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.